That paper thin line is okay right now, but when I 3D print it, it's not going to know what to do with that. So I'm going to need to give this that same 2mm thickness that we dealt with before. So on the surface command, if I go to create, I can go down to what's called thicken. And we're thickening a surface. So I'm going to click on this surface. And if you have multiple surfaces, you probably want to do this for each individual surface. Thickness is symmetric because I want to go each way. And I want to go 1mm each way. So it's going to go 1mm each way to give me a thickness. In operation, I want to go join again. So it's going to connect everything together, and I'm going to hit OK. So what this is doing now, if I look at the bottom of the cookie cutter, and I'm going to go home view. I can still see pretty good actually. So it's going to make this impression, because that's only 10mm, this impression 10mm deep, this impression 10mm deep. It's going to cut this shape out, and these two big blocks are just there to hold stuff in place. So that's how I do some text, and that's how I do a spline or some detail lines. Again, switching over to surface from solid, and then thickening, creating a thicken.